go heaven. So this church, before to collapse the roof, this church, it was the biggest and the largest church. Next to Beit Medhani Alam, already we have seen yesterday. So after to collapse the roof, to build the new wall here. Before that, this part, it was the interior part of the church, as indicates the pillars. So the name of the church is Beit Mercurius, the house of Saint Mercurius. Saint Mercurius is one of the three martyrs or Calvary. Saint George, Saint Mercurius, and Saint Fasilides. Saint George, white horse. Saint Mercurius, black horse. Saint Fasilides, red horse. Well-known martyrs or Calvary. So, as in case the rock looks, it looks like sand rock. Sand rock. We have seen yesterday basalt rock or sedimentary rock in the northern cluster, but it is the most soft rocks here. Now we'll go to the next one because the most beautiful church, and we'll stay there long time for the next church because inside here there is new wall and no more attract inside the church here. And now we'll go to the next ones. All right.
You better do it 10
I
seconds.
was hell.
No, no, no.
Hell.
Hell is not back to hell.
But we
Okay, can I do it? It's fine. Really? Come on,
I'm like, oh wow, it doesn't sound.
Now you pass the exam, you will have delicious food. For lunch time.
I think everybody been built up on everything.
All right, I'm gonna do my building.
black all on the ceilings.
Because we make fires here. Is your turn.
Let's have a dress. Sorry.
Okay, So the name of this church is Beta Emmanuel, or House of Emmanuel. Emmanuel means God with us. This is the only monolithic church in the second group church. We have seen two churches that's semi-monolithic, only one face, but this is monolithic because the all directions that's carved out from the mother rock. So as you have seen here, as you look here, there is different horizontal line. Typically that's copy from an Aksumite stele. And the other, look, on the restoration parts, the bottom parts, that's the restoration parts, that's the restoration, restored by Simon around 1933. And there is 3 windows on the top because there is 7 rooms, the second floor, the second gallery, that's 9 rooms, that's symbolic of the 9 saints. The 9 saints, they came from out of Ethiopia, from Syria, from Egypt, from Jerusalem. Why? They want to expand Ethiopian church. Also, they will interpret the Bible from Hebrew to Greek because most of the books was written by Hebrew and the other Greek. Also, they will interpret from Hebrew to Greek. The 9 saints, Abba Tzema, Abba Likanos, who I have seen in Aksum. So just to have seen there is different religious painting there. And the next one is Aksumite stele, as in part of Aksum, that's dedicated for the head of Jesus Christ. You know, at the eve of Christmas, January 6th, also the church scholars, they were forming 2 groups. Some of church scholars are standing the ground here. They make a circle that's symbolic of shepherd of Bethlehem. The others are going on the top of the cliff. They make a line that's symbolic of angel of heaven. So that one is new steps. Before that, it was the main access, the original access, this side. And when we go inside, we'll see the exit of the tunnels. The 2 exits of the tunnels we'll see when we go inside. But nowadays that's closed. That's closed. Why? As I told you, to save the materials of the church, because there is many priceless materials that's kept inside of the Holy of Holy, golden gospel, as a processional cross, decorating umbrella. Most of the umbrellas that's ornamented by silver, gold, purple, that's kept inside the Holy of Holy for safety of the materials that's closed. So now we'll go inside and to look the interior parts. This right now, they